What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. We do have a 2008 Mazda Miata mx5, and we're going to be taking this radio out and putting a new double din in. So if you want to learn how to take this out, continue to watch. So first thing we want to do is come over here to the side. This panel has to come off. So you want to come right here at this edge and use your fingers. It won't come off that easy because it does have some clips in it, but it's only held in by the clips. And then that's how you take that part off. Now we're gonna come to the other side, right here in this corner. I promise you, it's not gonna come off that easy, but I have, just use a little light pressure down here at the corner, slide it forward, boom. You need to do that because there is one Phillips that's right here that I already taken out. And there is another Phillips on the other side that you have to take out. Once you take those out, pull it, held in by clips as well. I've already taken the harnesses and stuff out from my AC and blah blah blah, and there you have it. I'm talking about less than a minute, we already have our radio taken out. So this is our harness, antenna. This right here went into the AC. I will leave it right there, and yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing wired up. Alright, so now that we have the factory radio taken out, we will be installing this Kenwood radio, the DDX6705. So the parts that we need is the Metra 997506. It comes with the single and double din availability, so we just cut this bar out since we're using the double din. The Metra 707903 and the Maestro steering wheel control module. Links will be in the description. The dash kit, the steering wheel controls, the radio harness, all that stuff will be in the description below. So click the link and get the best prices on it. So first thing I want to do is go ahead and take the AC out of this and put it into this one. So as you can see, we have 4 Phillips that we're going to take out of there, take this whole module off, put it in here, and then put those 4 Phillips in those holes right there. Alright, so I got everything done right here. Got the AC on. This dash kit is real simple to put in. Just cut that bar out, stick these on, one for the left, one for the right, put 2 screws in it, boom, and you're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire this thing up, and we'll let y'all see what it look like when it get done. Alright. That's it. Steering wheel control working. All that good stuff. That's what it looks like when she's all put back together. If you guys found any value in this video, please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, so you don't miss any more how-tos. Until next time, it's JP signing out, baby. Peace.